find her where they have her ears and her nose. Come back over here, RJ. Wait, that's Alfred. Come on over here, Alfred. Come on. Now, if I'm looking over here and that one turns around,
Hey, everybody laughing at?
somebody tell me.
I want that chicken.
Alright. So I've got a few more pieces of food left. Now, I'll throw these out. When I run out of food, I'll run out of here. Now, if you notice the alligator coming up over there by the tree.
He has another chicken right there.
Now, you'll notice. When we let back on there. She's having a hard time moving around because most of her right front leg and a good portion of the end of her tail is gone. That sort of stuff's extremely common because in the alligator world, the big guy gets all the girls and all the food. If you're not the big guy and you don't like it, you go somewhere else and you get bit. So we've got quite a few here that are missing feet, legs, tail sections, that sort of thing. Somebody say chili dog, where is he? I haven't seen chili dog today. We've got an alligator we call chili dog because we ate some lady chili.
We already know chili dog.
Okay. Alright. Let's see here. One more for her for not trying to eat me. Always appreciate that.
This guy coming up here.
Oh my goodness.
Look at him.
It's big. Oh my gosh, he's like twice as big as the other.
He's quiet. And nobody told me he turned around.
Yeah, he turned around.
Even those ribs, I'm not going to get past him trying to get out of here. Ribs, please. Should be fine getting out of here.
What about him?
Alright. There we go.
This one's coming.
Alright.
Here, this guy.
No, it's coming right for me.
And the other big one's coming.
Alright, so I'm out of food, so I'm going to get out of here. Hopefully you folks enjoyed that as much as I did. Give me a couple minutes, like I said, we'll come out and get one out for everybody to hold. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Feel free to bypass that and continue down the path and go see Carson the big guy. If you're doing the safari, it's over there in the orchard.
I ain't holding on to
Everything.
it.
Give me a couple minutes and I'll see you guys on the flip side.
Yay! Say thank you, Avery. Good job.
Oh, I love that one. I'm gonna get eaten. Awesome. They're gonna let us hold an alligator.